What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be cooking up some Foreman's original recipe pork sausage. We got the venison sausage, we have the jalapeno sausage, and of course we got Foreman's smoked boudin right here. This is Foreman's Boudin Kitchen. This is their namesake. So this is probably gonna be super delicious, but we're gonna test this out whenever we cook it out on the grill. So we got the original boudin, we also got the smoked boudin, and we're gonna test it out today on this channel. So right away, I want to thank the sponsors of this video. That is Foreman's Boudin Kitchen. They are coming over here to Southeast Texas. They can be found in Market Basket. They can be found in different areas. They'll be making a big push to come to Beaumont, the Southeast Texas region. So make sure if you see them in the stores to check them out. Foreman's Boudin Kitchen. They got all these smoked meats right here. So I'll be right back after this little montage of me grilling up all of these meats. So while I cook up all these sausages and boudin, let's hear a little bit about the story of Foreman's Boudin Kitchen. So basically they started over in Lake Charles, moved over to Cameron, and had a little sausage shop over there for a little bit until they finally moved back to Lake Charles and finally to where they are right now, which is Dry Creek, Louisiana. So they have been building up their business. It's a family business and they make good sausage from cane syrup. So this is what they're getting the sweetness in the sausage from, is from cane syrup. So as you can see here, I'm done grilling. Let's go ahead and see how I feel about these sausages. All right guys, so I got all the meats grilled up, got them a little bit charred over here, got the boudin skin. It was already ripping apart over there on the grill. I like my boudin skin real crispy, so that's why I did it that way. And let's try this sausage right here. So we have everything here. This is gonna be the boudin. So let's test out the boudin, smoked boudin. So this is the original smoked boudin. Let's try it alone without anything. You see the rice, you can see the meat in there, and then let's give it a taste. Right away, taste all the spices. I think this is actually the spicy one. Are they all a little spicy? They got a little kick to it. Well, that's good. That's some good boudin. Like more meatier than other boudins I've had. And I cooked that skin just perfectly. It's nice and crispy. You could chew through it. Let's just use my hands, man. Sausage, just use your hands. This is the piece that I'm gonna eat right here. Let's dip it in a little bit of barbecue sauce and have mustard in here. Which one do y'all dip it in? Let me know in the comments. Let's go with some barbecue sauce. Good, that's good. Let's go for the normal boudin. That was the smoked one. So let's go for the normal boudin. This one kind of tore up on me on the grill. That's my own fault. So here it goes right here. You guys can see the boudin right there. Let's give it a taste without anything else. Definitely, if you don't like the smoke flavor, which again, Foreman's Boudin, I don't feel like it's a overwhelmingly smoky flavor, but there is smoke in there. But this regular boudin without the smoke in it, also good. I would prefer probably the smoked one, just my preference. They're both good. I like the smoked one a little bit better. And then, of course, I got the skin right here. I like the skin. Nice and crispy. One of my favorite things definitely is crackling. I don't know if they ever make that. Maybe if they make it at the store. But that's what it reminds me when you cook up the skin right there. A little bit crispier, just like crackling. And this is the smoked boudin one more time. I'm gonna try it with some mustard. Lots of flavor, lots of spices, a little bit of kick, and a smoky one. So let's go ahead and taste the next one. This is the regular old-fashioned sausage. So this is just their pork sausage right here. So give that a look right there. There it is. Give it a taste without any. Yeah. Mild flavor, but that would go good on a piece of bread, and even with some barbecue sauce and some mustard on there. Whenever I do a dance when I'm eating, that's how you know I like it. So that's the smoked one. Let's try the venison one. So this is the venison right here. This is the venison. I'll tear up a little bit of it. You can see it has some oils in there. So if y'all can see that, it has some oils in there. Let's give this a taste. Good snap to the casing right here, and man, it's got good flavor again. Good sausage, and again, if you put it with the sauces here, that just kicks everything up a notch. So the last thing that we have here is the jalapeno smoked sausage. This is just made with pork. The other one had venison, the other one just had pork. Let's try the one with jalapeno inside of it. So I usually do like the spicier things. This is a spicy one, nice and warm. Let's taste it. This one's a ticket. I just like the jalapeno one. The jalapeno versions of both of these is just right up my alley. I like a little bit of spice. You can taste the pepper more on this one. Maybe it's just the jalapeno pepper inside of there, but definitely tastes a little bit more jalapeno. And I think that just brings out the flavor of the meat. And then you add this over here. All great sausages. I definitely lean more towards the jalapeno versions of all these sausages in the Boudin. And before I go, I just want to let you know that this is all from Foreman's original recipe sausage and Foreman's Boudin kitchen. Good stuff. Make sure to check them out over at your local store coming to Southeast Texas soon. So for me, Beaumont Foodie, I give this a thumbs up. Make sure to find them wherever you can. Pick you up some sausage, pick you up some Boudin. For me, it's the jalapeno flavors that do it for me, but all this is delicious. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this sausage, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.